Hello students, welcome back in my channel. Today we will discuss about the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes, in IUPAC nomenclature we have already discussed about the haloalkanes and haloarenes, but today it is our topic, so it will be discussed as haloalkanes are the compounds when, suppose I am written here ethane. Okay, it is ethane. From ethane, one hydrogen is substituted by a halogen atom. In this condition, this compound is known as haloalkane, right? In the case of haloarenes, haloarenes are those compounds when a hydrogen is substituted from benzene ring and a halogen atom is added in place of hydrogen atom. So it is called haloarenes. Okay. Next, it is the term of classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes on the basis of aromatic. Haloalkanes, halogen compounds are classified as aliphatic as well as aromatic compounds. Okay, aliphatic halogen compounds are CH3Cl, it is aliphatic. बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर अगर CH2 ग्रुप अटैच्ड है उसके साथ में कोई हेलोजन है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो एलिफेटिक कंपाउंड. फॉर CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CHCl, इट इज़ ऑल्सो द एलिफेटिक कंपाउंड. एलिफेटिक कंपाउंड मीन्स जब एल्कीन्स या एल्काइंस का सब्सटीट्यूशन होके कोई हैलोजन ऐड होती है. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड टाइप इज हैलोएरीन्स. हैलोएरीन्स मीन्स व्हेन halogen atom is direct attached with the benzene nucleus, it is called haloarenes. For example, it is chlorobenzene. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर इट इज़ ब्रोमोबेंजीन. आपने देखा मैंने बॉन्ड एक्सचेंज कर दिया है ना. IUPAC नॉमेनक्लेचर में हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं कि बेंजीन रिंग हैज़ द ऑल्टरनेट मल्टीपल बॉन्ड, डबल एंड सिंगल बॉन्ड. मीन्स in the place of double bond we also may use the ring in the benzene, and suppose this is the compound and name of the compound is fluorobenzene. Okay, now the second type classification according to hybridization. Okay, according to hybridization there are three type of hybridization: sp3, sp2 and sp. In the compound we have studied earlier in 11th class, we have studied this topic as when carbon single bond carbon are present, it show sp3 hybridization. In case of carbon double bond carbon, it show sp2 hybridization, while in case of carbon triple bond carbon, it show sp hybridization. Okay, now there are some examples like carbon CH2 double bond CHX. This example I have taken, it is vinyl halide. Okay, vinyl group is this. Means there are some common name and IUPAC name of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. See, like 2-chlorobutane, 2-bromobutane, these are the name. Now the next topic is nature of carbon atom. Nature of carbon atom in halogen compounds. In the compound of halogen compounds में हम यहाँ पर पढ़ रहे हैं carbon atom. According to the nature of carbon atom, there are four type of halogen compounds. First, the carbon which is bonded with only one carbon, it is known it is known as 1 degree carbon or primary alkyl halide, and the group is written in the condensed form like this, CH2Cl. Okay, the next compound is, if the carbon atom is bonded with 2 carbon atom, it is known as 2 degree or secondary alkyl halide. Third type is, if the carbon is attached with 3 carbon, it is known as 3 degree and tertiary alkyl halide. There is a fourth condition, neo alkyl halide, but alkyl halide में सिर्फ कार्बन 3 ही कार्बन से आगे अटैच हो सकता है. वो न्यू कंडीशन हम ओपन चेन, ब्रांच चेन, हाइड्रोकार्बन के लिए स्टडी करते हैं. Okay student, the topic now it has been completed at now. In next video we will discuss the topic methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes की प्रिपरेशन के मेथड हम इसके पार्ट सेकंड में पढ़ेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, हैव अ नाइस डे.